in the Mathly browser.
Okay, start.
Hello everyone, I am Nalma from Standard 7. My friends, we all here on a very good topic advantage and disadvantage of social media, and I am going to narrate positive things of social media. So, we can connect to people, many people around the world through social network sites because people are very busy.
Hello everyone, I am Muzaffar. I am student of Standard 8. My topic is the negative. I am going to narrate negative thinking about the social media. Because of social media, face-to-face communication decreases, and because of that, we don't know anyone well.
It is a great platform to express ideas in front of large number of people.
Yes, my friend, you are right that it is a great platform to share their ideas, but many times no one can fix what they share right and true or false, and they can speak anything, whatever they want, whatever they wish, and either correct or incorrect.
Okay. Organic content is everything that you produce and that you paste and you will be a search.
But my friend, there is nothing is free in this world. If any website or platform gives us content free, then they use our data.
Okay, my friend, social media help us to guide direction and unique places like Google Maps.
You are right. Every people not narrate and educated. Also, the people do not know how to use map. Few people knew about it.
You can connect to many people. You can connect to many people around the world, and you can make your network strong.
But we cannot trust anyone because there are many fraud people on social media, and maybe they can cheat with us on the name of friendship.
I'm doing negative point 1 and 1 because you are not passing the question on others. -1, -1, I'm giving both the negative. You just pass other also, na? Give the chance to the other people to speak. Anyone can pass.
No, sir, actually, अगर उनके पास नहीं है वो सेंटेंस तो
Okay. Continue.
Good morning to all of you. I am Ida and I am Ashwin Sassi.
Five
Yes,
times.
5 times.
Good morning to all of you. I am Ida and my team, and we all are here to talk about advantage and disadvantage, and I am going to narrate positive things of social media. Social media can make it easy to find group like people and you make new friends.
Good morning to all of you. I am Talia from class 6 and my team, and I am going to narrate the negative points of social media.
So, you can say that we make new friends on social media. But many times those friends we make those friends, but they are fake friends. When they meet them, they are not present to help us. Social media is an opportunity to talk about what we know and what we don't know. But many people will use social media as a negative way.
Social media help build relationship.
How
Now stop.
social media can be helpful too for journalists, so as David as well, and some makes news distribution.
But on the social media, this become an addiction, especially for youth. They are spending whole day with their smartphone.
Social media is an omnipresent part of everyday life. It provides users with an easy way to engage and connect with others, and without meeting face to face.
But social media make us lazy.
Social media has become become easier to leave the other country. Social media easier to connect with other people with the other country. But many times the people use this as a neighborhood. People are neighborhood, but they don't go to meet at their home. They are only text or calls. So many tools are social media available if you are real professionals. But all times people don't need only advice. People need proper treatment also.
Good. It is very tough competition, sir. Very tough.
बिल्कुल अच्छा किया आपने।
Clap for the first one.
5 times हो गया।
ये 5 times, sir, it is time.
अभी आप ये इससे शुरू करिए।
This round is time.
Obviously sir।
This round is time. Everyone has. मैं चाह रहा था कि एक आध कहीं भी बोलेगा, तीनों स्टीम में बोल गए, तीनों स्टीम में बोल गए, यहाँ भी तीनों बोल गए, यहाँ भी कोई एक नहीं बोलता तो ये वाला रोड थोड़ा टफ रहता है। ये भी ध्यान रखना कि 3 ग्रुप में 3 लोग बोल रहे हैं।
सर ये देख रहे हैं कि 15 सेकंड इसमें लिया बोलने का उसका माइनस हो। हाँ उसमें 15 सेकंड किया तो गया।
ये वाला रोड टाई रहा मेरी तरफ से। अब
तो आप
देखते
साथ में लास्ट थोड़ा टाइम लिया है। लास्ट वाले बोले ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ओके सर।
हैं टाई
अभी टाइम कोई नहीं बेटा, सब अच्छे से ज्यादा
टाई है। ये वाला रोड टाई है। अब देखो अगला राउंड है, ठीक है ना। मेरी तरफ से उस तरफ से क्या है पता नहीं। चलिए नेक्स्ट।
सो इसका
मैं सबका पार्टिसिपेशन कर रहा हूँ।
ओके 2 मिनट।
स्टार्ट।
Social media is giving people mind.
But my friend, it develops idea and influence the people.
Social media also spread fake news destroying the minds of its citizens.
We get the latest update through social media.
Because of social media, unknown person blackmail anyone.
But cyber law are strict now. Strict every time. They strict every time.
But many always they are not strict because they are also busy in their own work.
Yeah. They are busy, I know that. But strict now, now they are strict in this day. And it's, yeah, they are busy, they are protect us from violence.
And social media, which information spread like wildfire.
But through social media, we are know new updates in these times.
Social media causes students days to drop.
But social media through students are no lot of knowledge.
But social media distracts the students from their life goals.
But human have the sense to think, know and understand what is wrong, what is right for him and what is wrong for him.
But social media messing with people's minds.
So same answer. So human have the sense and know, understand and think what is right for him and what is right for him. So this is not all of social media.
But social media replaces face-to-face communication.
And so tell me one thing. If any tell me one thing. Those people who live in other countries, so we are how talk with others.
I agree with your words. You may be right, but people not use this as for 5
times it is like this, if the neighbors are text them, call them, they are not go to their house and to make them. So, in this, what is full of social media? What do you mean about this? What is in this social media site?
Decrease the family closure.
This is not full of social media. This full of humans. So is decreasing family closures.
जी सर।
देखिए, जब आप लोग ऐसी मेहनत करते हैं तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम लोगों के अंदर भी एक एनर्जी आ जाती है, पॉजिटिव एनर्जी। तो इंसान अपनी थकान, अपनी चीजें भूल आप लोगों के ऊपर। तो ये लगता है कि हमको नंबर 1 बनना है तो बनना है, ठीक है ना। तो ये चीजें तब होती है जब हम सब मिलकर मेहनत करते हैं, है ना। अब इतना अच्छा लग रहा है कि मतलब नींद अपनी थोड़ी अब सब गिले शिकवे खत्म हो जाते हैं, ठीक है ना। उधर मामू कॉल कर रहे हैं, आके नाश्ता कर लीजिए, अब कोई भूख नहीं लग रही है। उससे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट लग रहा है कि ये सब चीजें तो सबके लिए क्लैप के कल यहाँ पे हम लोग 5 के 6 के 7 के 8 के जो बच्चे एलिमिनेट हुए उनको दिखाएंगे सारे टीचर्स को यहाँ पे 12:50 के बाद 1 बजे। तुम लोग 1 बजे है ना, ऐसे तुम लोगों को डिबेट करना। उस टाइम में कोई प्राइज का वो नहीं रहेगा, सिर्फ दिखाना है उन लोगों को कि आपकी मेहनत क्या है, ठीक है ना। जो हम लोगों ने संडे आके आप लोगों ने क्लास के बाद अपने सिलेबस को लेते हुए ये कवर किया, तो यहाँ पर उस तरह सारे टीचर्स रहेंगे और सेम टू सेम ऐसे ही डिबेट उसको कोई एक होगा कि आपको बस दिखाना है आपका इम्प्रूवमेंट क्या है, ठीक है ना। तो इंशाल्लाह कल एक बार आपको बस एक बार शो करना है सबके सामने, ठीक है। तो उन जो बच्चे हैं जो मतलब एलिमिनेट हो गए, जो नहीं आ पाए, उन लोगों के अंदर भी एक जज्बा जागे, है ना। और टीचर्स को भी लगे कि क्योंकि टीचर्स के लिए जैसे एक माँ बाप को अपने बच्चे को देख के खुशी होती है, इम्प्रूवमेंट करता है, ऐसे अच्छे टीचर्स को भी खुशी होती है जब बच्चे अच्छा करते हैं, है ना। हम लोगों को बस ये चाहिए कि हम रिजल्ट दें, तो उन लोगों को भी दिखाना है कि हमारे जो स्कूल के बच्चे हैं वो कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, है ना। तो ये जो है ना बड़ा कट थ्रो कंपटीशन था। देखिए इसमें जो सादिया की टीम का थोड़ा सा ये निगेटिव रहा कि इसकी टीम का टाइम टेकिंग ज्यादा चला गया, तो उसकी वजह से -2 पॉइंट ला गया और कुछ लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया। और टीम ए जो है नगमा की टीम, इसमें भी थोड़ा यही चीज रहा कि और लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेशन सही से नहीं किया। तो टीम ए और टीम डी जो है नगमा की और सादिया की, इन दोनों को 3rd पोजीशन मिलती है। ओके, दे आर एट द 3rd पोजीशन। तो प्लीज क्लैप। फर्स्ट पोजीशन और सेकंड पोजीशन में टीम सी और टीम बी में कोई भी आ सकता है, यानी बाय डिफॉल्ट आप सेकंड तो है ही, लेकिन फर्स्ट के लिए आप टीम सी और टीम बी को करना है ना। तो ये कौन है? टीम सी है, सी।
We all are here learning topic advantage or disadvantage, and I am going to narrate on the use of social media. Social media be a helpful tool for journalists as well as having some mixed effects on news distribution.
Hello everyone, my name is Marana from Standard and I am going to narrate the negative things about social media. I'm lucky that journalists helps use it for their work, but many times they get wrong information and people know wrong things.
speedy communication.
But through social media, face-to-face communication decreases.
Social media is an omnipresent a part of everyday life. It provides users an easy way to connect, to engage and connect with others and without meeting face to face.
But we don't make any relation without meeting, because there are many fraud people on social media and many people who trust on unknown people and make their relation only by call and message. And this is and according to me, this is really extremely sinful, because without meeting we cannot judge anyone and we don't make anyone friends anything.
Social media to reach out to many, to share our feelings, use our business, show our talent.
My friend, you are right, but few times people share vulgar videos and vulgar pictures to wrong information to be famous. Social media helps you to travel faster.
Social media fake news. Spread fake news.
Social education is playing an extensive role in terms of leading people. It's a give chance to it's give to chance platform. It's give to platform to who can't travel, find it inconvenient to move out and meet people.
Every people not learned and educated how to use math. Only few people and only few people knew about it.
Many social media tools are available in healthcare professionals.
But excessive use of social media leads to health problem, impact on mental health, and maybe cause depression, self-harm, anxiety.
Building relationship and staying connected.
Please repeat.
Building relationship and staying connected.
But because of this, social media makes our relationship weak, make our conversation virtual.
That's all, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Take a rest for 2 minutes.
How social media people can cheat on the name of friends?
What?
How the social media can be? How the social media people can cheat on the name of friends?
It should happen not any times because through social media we are meet new friends and new friends.
Because of social media, unknown person blackmail anyone with the cause of Saturday.
Can you repeat this please?
Because of social media, unknown person blackmail anyone with the cause of Saturday.
But cyber and very strict in this matter.
Because of social media, any one person data can be easily hacked if not proper secured and can be shared all over the internet.
Next question.
Social media is in people's mind.
But human understands two things, understand and know what is right for him. So what is following social media in this?
Through social media, politicians constantly have to stay with good intention won't be able to get many votes and for get elected.
Can you repeat the question?
Through social media, politicians constantly have to stay with good intentions for votes and to get elected.
But through social media, we are now who will win in politics.
Social media, people can sometimes people get addicted to social media.
But through social media, we are no lot of knowledge and take a lot.
But through social media, students might see offensive images and messages.
But in this is not full of social media.
But social media gives us facilities to share anything on
If
social
social
media.
media does not give this facility, so social media what
I can say that if social media only gave the facilities of share only news, only that things this is important. Why they give the facilities of sharing photos, images, videos?
If the social media don't give this facility, so what part to the social media? Because through social media, we are do some important ones.
I am telling you that social media can give the facilities which is important for us. But
So is that human fault. So please share this pics, very pics and images.
Social media in our relationship with media in our relationship.
But who live far away from other country, through social media we are connected with others.
Social media make our communication virtual. Our conversation virtual.
But through social media we are talk with other people, meet other people and know lot of knowledge and new updates.
But excessive use of social media is also harmful for us.
How?
Maybe some people share negative comments to anyone and they can suffering from depression,
So
anxiety.
this part of human.
People share negative comments. That's why anyone read it.
So how people share comment, negative comment? This is not just social media.
People can
Social
share
media
it.
don't need social media don't say you share negative comments of this video. Social media don't say.
But many people share negative comments
So
and
the
these
comments
many percentage basically to children.
In this part of people, why they share negative comments?
All right. So students, we are at this stage where we will decide the who will become the first. Okay, so it is a very important and we will check the team split. Everyone from the 5 class sit down.
इस्माइल छूट गया इस्माइल बोलिए
Okay, so we will check the team split. We will check. So everyone has to stand. Team D and Team C. Team C in the favor and Team D in the against. So Team C, every member of Team C, Ira, Nadia and Ismail. And every member of Team B, Sumaira, Rutba and Salah. They have this team. And their marks will be found. And then we will finally decide overall marks on the basis of the overall marks, but their weight is too much. Okay, so everyone else has to stand up. Okay, first of all, we start from the team C. The first person who will going to stand and speak.
And timing, sir? Sir, timing?
Timing 20-30 seconds.
20 to 30.
Good morning to all of you. I'm Aya and I am in class 7. And my team, we all are here about a very learning topic, advantage or disadvantage. And I am going to narrate positive things of social media. Social media make it easy to find group likes, meet people, and make new friends. People of all ages can use social media to develop a platform in large audience. If social media, we can know lot of knowledge through social media, and you can use social media to raise awareness, and you cause a belief in or support others who already do.
Good, very good. Anyone? Stand.
Good morning to all of you. I am Ilan Smart, studying class 7. Social media make a person lazy. Social media make our relationship weak. How does social media people can cheat on the name of friendship? Social media make our conversation virtually. Social media mixing with people mind. But because social media people all time to talk to friend all time. Thank you.
Anyone from your team? Speak.
Social media make it easy to make friends. Social media makes seem smaller. Social media help hearings or education. Social media help you build relationship. Social media help news travel faster. It's allow them to spread social awareness and kindness, building a relationship and staying connected. Social media allow for speedy communication.
Very good. Yes. Start.
Hello everyone, my name is Mayana from Standard and I am going to narrate the negative points of social media. Because of social media, people get addicted and distracted from their life goals. Through social media, anyone's personal data and information can be easily hacked if not properly secured and can be shared all over the internet. And oversharing on social media makes the children the target of predators and hackers. Excessive use of social media leads to health problems. Social media messing with people's minds. Through social media, anyone can cheat anyone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nadia from class 6. I am going to narrate positive things of social media. Social media help us to reach out to many people, share our feelings, increase our business and show our talent to people. Learn can new people live in different countries. If you have a question, you can ask from someone. Social media gives an opportunity to talk about what to know and what to know. Social media is the education platform.
ये है फैजान है, इस्माइल है, लोग सोच भी सकते थे कि वो इतना अच्छा बोलेगा। हम लोग इस एज में मतलब मिशन दिया होगा तो खाने कहाँ पहुँचा हो, बस सुनते जाओ। इसका है रुतबा।
Hello everyone, I am Dafran. I am a student of Standard 8. Because of social media, face-to-face communication decrease, and because of that we don't know anyone. Because of social media, Because of social media, unknown person let me in the causes of cyberbullying. But because of social media, really people distract our goal, our life goal. Because of social media, people are very lazy.
चलो इससे मेरी लाइफ डिबेट मेरी
बहुत अच्छा है।
जबरदस्त गुड क्या बता रहा है देखो एक तो एक सेकंड तो सभी है दोनों ठीक है ना तो सब तो टॉपर है अब ये जो हुआ ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट राउंड हुआ देखो पहला जो राउंड हुआ उसमें जो 10-10 क्वेश्चन थे तो सुमेरा की टीम को 7 पॉइंट मिले और आयरा की टीम को 8 पॉइंट मिले राउंड होगा ठीक है ना दूसरा जो राउंड हुआ तुम लोगों का 10 का तुम्हारी टीम को 9 मार्क्स मिले इसको 7 मिले तो हो गया तुम्हारा हो गया था 16 इसका हो गया 15 ठीक है ना फिर क्या हुआ कि इसके जो है मतलब टाइम टेकिंग ज्यादा है तो कहीं मिल गया इसके 2 पॉइंट निगेटिव हुए तुम्हारे 1 पॉइंट निगेटिव हुआ तो फाइनल जो रिजल्ट आ गया था पहले राउंड का तो वो आ गया एक का 13 आ गया था और एक का 15 आ गया है ना लेकिन नेक्स्ट राउंड में फिर क्या किया इन सब ने 9 पॉइंट कर दिया ठीक है ना तो इन लोगों ने जो 9 पॉइंट किया तो इनका हो गया 22 हो गया ना तीन सब तीनों को 3 मिल गया 22 और तुम्हारी टीम जो है वो कर पाए 7 पॉइंट लेकिन तुम्हारी टीम का क्योंकि पहले राउंड में काम ज्यादा था तुम्हारे का 23 थी तो फर्स्ट पोजीशन जो है वो मेरा नाश किया है टीम 1 की जो आई वो ये टीम जो है इसकी सिर्फ 1 मार्क्स से सेकेंड हो गया तुम लोग आओ सबसे आगे आओ मुबारकबाद दो तुम लोग इखलास करो कॉम्पिटिशन बोलो
एक एग्जाम
सब बोलो
इसमें नहीं सर